Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I wanted to share something with you. As you know, the sedan market's shrinking a lot. In fact, like the TLX here has been discontinued as of July of this year. So the 2025 model is the last year of the Acura TLX. And it seems like a lot of companies are dropping the sports sedan, going for either the SUVs, CUVs, or, like the electric vehicles, or they're just economical. Like we have the Integra for Acura, but that's kind of more economy based as far as like the engine, the performance, and all that kind of stuff, aside from the Type S. But some news just came out that's pretty exciting if you're like me and you like a sports sedan, and there are some of us out there that still like a nice sedan that's fun to drive. A company just announced they're bringing a refreshed design, and it's, in my opinion, one of the best sports sedan. I would actually look at getting one if I was in the market for a sedan. And there's some great refreshments that I think it's definitely overdue for it too. So let me go ahead and share exactly what just came out a couple days ago. I think you guys would be really excited. So like I said, we know the sedan market's shrinking, but there are some of us out there that really like a nice sporty sedan to drive. We don't need a huge SUV. We just like to have fun while we're driving as well. So one of the best automakers, in my opinion, Lexus, just announced that they're coming out with a refreshed 2026 Lexus IS. And if you remember my video before, Lexus is going through a thing where they're eliminating a ton of their sedans, going for, the electric vehicles and really focusing on the SUV market. But here are the pictures of the brand new 2026 Lexus IS that was just announced. And there was some controversy before if they were going to get rid of it. They are getting rid of the Lexus IS 500. That's discontinued. But they not only announced that they're doing a 2026 IS, but you can see it's redesigned as well, especially the front end. And then if you look at the interior here, you could see some big changes going on. I would say the main one, as you can tell just by the console, there's no more touchpad. So they're strictly going to a bigger touchscreen, which most people want nowadays. And they finally ditched the CD player. I know Lexus has been behind on the times when it comes to their design inside. It's been pretty dated, and they've always had a CD player. Well, now they ditched that, and it's just a more refined look. And like I said, if I was in the market for a nice sporty sedan, I would definitely check out the Lexus IS. I actually looked at it before I got the Acura, but I've been such a Honda Acura fan over the years. It was hard for me to make that switch, but I would definitely say that Lexus makes a great product, and they're a great looking sedan. They're built in Japan, which is kind of the pinnacle of the sports sedan market. But they haven't released yet what engine they're going to come with. A lot of speculation. They think it's going to have the carryover 3.6 liter V6, which is a great motor. They've been making it for years. It's not turbocharged as of right now. So definitely stay tuned to see what new information comes out as far as the power plant, but definitely a refreshed look. And like I said, updated interior, looks a bit more modern, because that's always been, Lexus has been kind of behind on that segment. Their interiors look pretty dated, but it's definitely nice to see a nice sporty sedan that they're still coming out with. But more than likely, this will be their last run. So this refresh one might be around for a couple years, and then you could see them definitely killing off the sedan market, since that's kind of the trend that everybody's doing. But they're giving it one last push here. So like I said, if you guys are in the market for a sports sedan and you want to get something new, so Acura TLX is out of the question, I would definitely look at the Lexus IS350. It's a great looking car. It's been super reliable over all the years. They're always toward the top of the list in reliability, and they hold their value really well too. So it's kind of a win-win, especially if you're looking for something to keep for long term. So again, I just want to bring that to your attention. This just came out 2 days ago, and it's nice to see another refreshed look. I'm not sure how I feel about the front end of it. They definitely got away from their typical grille that they used over the last few years. It looks kind of more similar to the Camry. But let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the brand new Lexus IS350. You guys like it? Would you be looking to get one of those if you're in the market for a sports sedan? I'd like to hear your guys' comments. Again, hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate all of you as always, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.